Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some summer cleaning motivation with you. As you can see, I have decorated for the summer season, and I will be sharing with you some close-ups of the summer decor that I have set up in a little bit, but this was filmed prior to the May long weekend. We were preparing for a weekend getaway, so we were busy packing. We also had some appointments on top of homeschool and the usual messes that pile up. So I picked my battles this week. I let things pile up so that I could just tackle the mess mostly in one go and have a clean space and a fresh space for when we came back. It's always nice to come back to a clean home. We also had a meeting with our homeschool support teacher for our school that we're associated with on the Tuesday that we came back. So I didn't want the usual messes on top of like the messes from bringing home the stuff from our trip to pile up because we were going to be tired. So I wanted the space to be back in order as much as possible. So I've got lots of cleaning motivation for you. So stick around. And if you are new here, I am a homeschool mom to 4. I have an 8-year-old, a 6-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a newborn who is 2 months old. And we have been homeschooling for going on our 4th year of homeschooling. So stick around for the cleaning motivation and our homeschool journey. Now that the dining room is cleaned and refreshed, I'm going to go ahead and tackle my coffee bar area here in the kitchen. Just freshen it up a little bit, I'll wipe the counters down, put a few of the pieces of decor back in place and declutter this area. I love to decorate this space for all of the seasons, so I had some fun with this theme. It's a little bit of everything, some strawberries and pineapple and a kitty because my kids love cats, so it's a fun different theme this year. And then the cups down below do say hello sunshine. It was just blocked by the pineapple, but yes, definitely love that this area is all freshened up and decorated for summer. So then there is the mess in the living room. So this was so bad, but my kids were playing and we had a busy week. We were out and about and trying to tackle homeschool and we just couldn't get to all the things. So my kids are going to go ahead and help me tackle this mess before we go away on our trip. And we're going to have some fun. And yeah, when we got back from our trip, I did end up putting these toys back into my kiddos' room. Mostly these toys are my daughter's, but my boys do play with her with the kitchen stuff. But my daughter shares a room with my 6-year-old, and so we figured out a way to put these toys back into her room. We like to have it out here so she could have something out here, but we have a lot of sensory bins and other activities for her to do. So I decided to go ahead and put this back in there, and it has been a lot nicer and a lot less clutter and a lot easier to clean up. But here's some cleaning motivation for you.
Step 4. Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Take 'em. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
We are almost done tackling the living room and getting the things checked off our to-do list, but we have one more thing to do, and we need to vacuum the couch. So I asked my 6-year-old to do this. He is definitely not the one to volunteer to clean up, first. He doesn't like to clean up messes, but what 6-year-old does? But I challenged him to do this, and I like to ask my kiddos to do different things here and there when we are tackling messes together. I told him you can do it super fast, and you can be silly, and you can get this couch all shiny and put back together, and he had a lot of fun with this task. He needed some help here and there to navigate this, but he had a lot of fun, and as long as he was being encouraged, it definitely helps. So you saw the mess before. It was bad, but now this space is super refreshed. It is so great to finally tackle a mess that has been piling up for a while and get it all back in order. So I just want to say, as we finish up this video, as this pillow says, love what you do. Find joy in your home and your homeschool this week as you tackle homeschool and life and cleaning and all of the things. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel to follow along on our homeschool journey. Bye for now.